how to cash out on InboxDollars. So from the main page, we want to hover over more, and then you will see this option to request a payment. So there are a few different ways of how you can cash out on InboxDollars. You can choose an Amazon gift card, you can choose a prepaid MasterCard, Walmart, some Walmart balance, Apple balance, Google Play card. There's also an option to get your money directly into PayPal if you scroll down. So as you can see, there are actually quite a few methods of how you can cash out, but basically I'm going to show you with PayPal. So with PayPal, you can select the amount from the left hand side. So $15, $30, $40, $50, and $100. And basically what this says right here is that our PayPal email needs to be the same as the email we used to sign up to our InboxDollars. So that's one way of how you can cash out. If you want to cash out using an Amazon gift card, then I'm just going to go to request payment once more, and then I'm going to go to Amazon, and right here you can read how you can actually cash out using Amazon. And again, the options are $15, $30, $40, $50, and $100. And it might take from 3 to 10 business days to receive your gift card. So hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.